In this video, I will show you how to use same Telegram account on two devices. So let's jump straight into it. So basically all you need to do is download the Telegram app on your second device. So if you're on iPhone, that's going to be the App Store. If you're on an Android device, you want to open up the Google Play Store and search for Telegram. Then all you need to do is simply download that onto your device. At this point, you can just simply leave your Telegram logged in on your first device. And once Telegram has finished downloading on your second device, just go ahead, open up Telegram and click the start messaging button. Now at this point, all you need to do is simply enter the same phone number for the account that you're using on your other device. And once you've done that, you'll be able to use your same Telegram account on both of your devices. So that's how to use same Telegram account on two devices. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.